Driving is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey itself. And that's why this feature of Kia Sonet helps you make your journey more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. Coming up. Let's get inside. Welcome back. The Kia Sonet offers a fantastic feature that makes driving more comfortable and enjoyable. This feature is cruise control. Cruise control is activated through buttons on the steering wheel and can be adjusted or turned off with the same controls. The cruise control works over the speed of 30 km per hour. With cruise control, you can enjoy increased comfort during long drives, have improved fuel efficiency, and it reduces driver fatigue and hence enhances safety. However, cruise control may not be ideal in heavy traffic or winding roads. And the best part is the cruise control is not just for highways. Lately, I have found use for it on city roads too. If I find an empty stretch of road, I set the speed to the speed limit and turn on cruise control, even on city roads. And if I see an obstacle in the distance, I simply disengage cruise control manually from the buttons or just change the gear or apply the brake. And when I need to brake, I simply use the reset mode to let the car accelerate back to the previously set speed. This leads to better mileage and better acceleration. Driving with cruise control is a fun and a different way of driving. We will continue to take our Sonet to different places and discovering its capabilities. Be sure to be subscribed to join in our adventures. Thank you for watching.